Let's talk about rapid rescores. Rapid rescores are done whenever you have lower scores and you want to qualify for a better mortgage. Your credit scores could range and go up from as little as 5 points to 150 points, depending on what's wrong with your credit report. I wouldn't advise a rapid rescore unless you're being advised with a professional broker who knows credit reporting and knows basically what's wrong with the report. And so, because it's also very expensive. Generally, a broker's not supposed to charge you for these things, but many people do and will not pay for a rapid rescore unless you pay them. They can be very expensive. You could pay as much as $50 to $70 per item that's your rapid rescore, and you have to do it on all three bureaus. So you could get up to $500 to $1,000 to do rapid rescores. Generally, although brokers aren't supposed to charge you, no one's going to pay for that unless you pay for it. So in general, we're not sure how to get around that problem, but rapid rescores are still done every day and borrowers are still paying for them. But if you're going to do a rapid rescore and your broker won't pay for it, you'll have to work that out and figure out how to do that within the confines of the law. But generally, here's what, if you're going to do a rapid rescore, let me tell you what particular credit reports qualify. People who have excessive debt. So in general, if your debt is less than 20% of your credit limits, a rapid rescore probably will not help you. Rapid rescores are only good for situations where you have to pay down a lot of debt to get your scores higher. In general, paying off collection accounts will not generally work in rapid rescores immediately. You will not get an immediate change in report. You could get a change in your report over a couple of months, but immediate changes for rapid rescores, and the only thing that really qualifies is paying down immediate debt. So if you're over 30, 40, 50% of your credit limits. In other words, let's just say you have a credit limit, you have credit available of $60,000 and you have $20,000 in debt. And when we're talking about debt, we mean unsecured debt, credit card debt. That means that you're at 33% of your borrowing. That would be, in that sense, it would make sense to do a rapid rescore because you're getting down below 20% of your credit limits is where you want to be, and your score is going to be affected if you're up above 20% of your credit limits, if you have 20% of your credit cards used. So what happens is you pay those down, we report those accounts to the credit reporting agency, and then they readjust your scores. And that's how it works. Thanks for listening.